welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, my name is Miss Tamika. I upload videos once a week, which is Sunday, and then I also in a bonus video throughout the week. And with that being said, you guys, this is part 2 of my unboxing of my Coach Cassie. This here is in the 19. So I did do an unboxing, so make sure you watch the unboxing first. And so now what I am going to do now is show you what fits. Ready? Place the camera down so we can strictly focus on the bag. So right now I am carrying another Coach bag, which is the, I think this is the Parker, I think. I'm not 100% sure, but this is a Coach backpack. And so I just got this here in the mail. Like I was saying, you have your Coach turn lock here in color with this pink, and then on the bottom you have this here beige or tan color, and then also in the back it also has the light pink. And then when you open the bag, you have a color, I think this is like the green, it looks blue, but I think it's green or blue, not 100% sure. But then in the inside you have 3 compartments with 1 zipper pocket here in the back. And so here on this here back pocket you have the Coach tags here in my backpack that I'm going to show you what fits. I have this here Gucci Mormount card case. I have my Coach coin purse. I have my Louis Vuitton pochette. Then I also have my car keys. I have a lip balm. I have my Blotterazzi. And then I have my Kate Spade card case. Do a video on this here card case. I also have my face mask. Let's see what all fits in here. So I'm gonna put the pochette here in this bag, card case in the bag. And then I have my Gucci card case. So yeah, I have this here coin purse. I'm not sure if this is going to fit, only because it's heavy. Okay, so I did place it in the back area. So I have my here card keys, and I got this here special key at what was it, Home Depot. So I'm gonna place my keys in here. Then I also have this here lip balm. I'll put that on the side. And then I also have my Blotterazzi. So let me slide this table up so we can see how it looks. You have this here strap where I guess you can carry the bag like this. So like I said, if you want to carry a handheld, you have this option. So here you have this here chain strap, and this is the strap that I probably would use a lot more than that other strap, only because you can carry it over your shoulder. And this is what I like a lot more about this bag versus the original, is because you don't have that option, but again this one do. Last but not least, you have the crossbody option, which I probably will take advantage of as well. And so here is the bag crossbody. It is heavy because like I said, I just put everything in here, and so I will have to go in here to take some things out just to make the bag more comfortable. Like I said, I probably will take out that coin purse, only because I don't really need to carry coins if I'm always using my card to use my card to purchase things. The bag crossbody. So here is the coin purse that I said I'm gonna go ahead and take it out the bag. So now I just have the card keys, Blotterazzi, my what is this? My Louis Vuitton, and then my Gucci. I probably put the Gucci in the back. Let me take that out. Okay, so I took all that out, and now it fits a little better. This bag is so cute though. Like, I see why everybody was raving about this here Cassie 19, Casey 19 or Cassie 19. And here is the bag. I didn't put my cell phone in the back only because it's a little tight, because I probably have to move things around. Let's just say I'll take out the this here Louis Vuitton pochette, because when I'm carrying this bag I probably won't need all that stuff. So I'm gonna go ahead and put that in there. And then let's just say I'll take a, so I have the Chanel mirror. So since I don't wear makeup like that as much with this whole corona, I'm gonna go ahead and just put this mirror in here. I forgot to throw in my face mask, so I'm gonna go ahead and throw that on the top. So now it's a whole lot better to carry. So now I can carry it on the crook of my arm, and as you can see, and I can also carry it like this, which, like I said before, I probably would carry it more like this and crossbody. You have this here adjustable strap where you can pull this down where it won't have your flaps flapped up or bending out and about, and you don't want to carry a big bag. This here would be a good go-to type of bag. So here, if I want to grab my cell phone, it's right here. And then if I also want to grab my mask, it's right here in the front. I probably will place the mask like here in the front pocket so I can grab it and go. And then I have my Chanel mirror right here. But here, and show you how it will look with everything removed, just so you can see. Now this here is nice. I wish this was in gold because I could use this. I could have used this strap along with my other bag that I have. Here's the way like I said, I probably would carry it. It's on over the shoulder. So here with this bag, you get 3 ways to carry this bag. The last way to carry it is a 2-tone strap. So here, so yeah, it doesn't fit under my arm, but yeah, this is more of a carry like this in the crook of your arm. And I don't see this bag being heavy like my Speedy, because you could still do stuff and, you know, whatever, pay for stuff or whatever. So I do like that feature of the bag, because like I said before, it's really a cute bag, you guys. Like a really cute bag. And here is your Coach tag here on the side. So if I didn't have my keys, I could have probably put like I probably could put a bag charm on here. Not sure which one. The hardware is that gunmetal hardware. So yeah, that's that. So I'm not sure how the gold will go against this gunmetal hardware, but yeah, I just wanted to show you. Like I said, again, this bag is really cute. So I'm not sure, y'all, what I'm gonna do as of yet. But if I do decide to keep it, I will do a updated review, a updated video on this here bag. With that being said, y'all, if y'all like these types of videos, please give this video a big thumbs up because it helps out my channel. And also, before you go, please don't forget to click on that subscribe button and that notification bell so y'all can be notified each week when your girl uploads videos. And until next time, I will talk to you later. Bye.